How to fix Snapchat lag on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, let's go ahead and make sure that our application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and here search for Snapchat. If you see update instead of open, tap onto it and update your app. If you are not using the latest version of Snapchat, it also causes lags. Once you do so, head over to your settings. Here scroll below onto apps and then search for Snapchat. Here scroll below until you see storage and here clear the data. Before doing so, make sure that you know all your credentials, then tap on delete. Now once you do so, tap onto force stop on your bottom right, then tap on OK. Once you do all these, if it's still not working for you, then long tap onto your Snapchat account and tap on uninstall. And you can always reinstall it again from your Play Store. This will definitely fix your lag problem in your Android device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.